Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2010 D40 Series MNT build Nissan Navara dual cab. It's a Yd25 2.5 turbo diesel engine with the four-wheel drive automatic transmission. As you can see, it's taken a bit of a tumble, but we've got some big wheels on it. It's got some marks on them. Got the canopy on the back, a tray on the back there. It's got a bit of damage on it, but I reckon it could be easily repaired. We don't have the keys for that, unfortunately, but it's still all there. See a bit of damage on there. Taking a knock here. But I'll tell you what, if we don't sell it, I'll repair it for myself. There's our wheels there. Some scuff marks here and there. There's a bit of bend in there, I think. But once again, it is what it is, I suppose. As the saying goes, the saying you'll hate or dislike a bit. Anyway, that's the preference. Airbags haven't gone off. Cloth trim. Get the bonnet open for you. Got a bit of aftermarket gear on it. There's a radiator and bits and pieces. Compliance plate in there so you can have a look at that. Start up, it's got 188,000 Ks on it. Just drove it out. Back seat's fairly tidy, but just got a bit of a dent in it. Alright, go round. There we go. Creating trouble for myself here. I've locked the steering wheel. 1 second, please. Right, hope you enjoyed the view. Where are we? We'll get it going. Here's our mileage. I'll get that mileage up for you somehow. There you go, 188,222. Aftermarket. There it is. All standard fare in there. Alright, one D40 Navara for dismantling us. Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Give us a call on the number on the wall. I've said it before, say it again. Anyway, 46461733. I'll stop rambling on. Parts Plus team, we're only too glad to hear from you and we're here to help you out. So thanks for watching and bye for now.